This is a 2009 Acura MDX. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, high-intensity headlights, a DVD player, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, XM satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, big 18-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a power rear lift tailgate, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.